is surrounded by our cherished guests, friends, supporters, parents, alumni who have stood by us through this incredible journey. Project Y has been the light of learning of thousands of children. Now, we will now felicitate Dr. Tyagi, our chief guest, who so kindly consented to grace the occasion.
Let us start our morning with joy and innocence of our little star. 10 children of early education childhood will present a delightful dance just for you.
On this bright day, our spirits so high, we're so happy to welcome you. On this bright day, our spirits so high, we're so happy to welcome you. As we gather here today, your blessings and your presence make us with joy. As we gather here today, your blessings and your presence make us with joy. On this bright day, our spirits so high, we're so happy to welcome you. On this bright day, our spirits so high, we're so happy to welcome you. As we gather here today, your blessings and your presence make us with joy. As we gather here today, your blessings and your presence make us rejoice.
Now, I would like to request and invite our founder and CEO, Ms. Anuradha Bakshi, fondly addressed as Anu, to deliver her welcome address. Ma'am, please be on stage and please have a huge round of applause for her.
Respected Tyagi ji, respected board members, respected parents, respected guests, respected friends of Project Y. I was wondering what I would talk about today because the last thing I wanted was to do a long speech showcasing what we've done and what we've not done. So what I've decided is a very short speech. One was when I started, I had a lot of detractors who would say, oh, what you're doing, India's got so many problems, what difference can you make? And my answer was, if I change one life, it would be worth it. And the other thing that Project Y taught me was to believe in miracles. Because Project Y has been a set of miracles. Miracles, each time we were in problem, each time we had an issue, each time I thought that that was the end of the road, somebody would appear. And I'll tell you one thing, angels look just like us.
We bestow upon Anu ma'am the Lifetime Achievement Award. We request Dr. Tyagi to do the honor of handing over that award to her. She deserves a standing ovation of making an unparalleled impact in the lives of innumerable people. She is an epitome of courage, compassion and determination. Her never-defeated spirit has always opened new door of opportunity for Project Y.
We will now screen the film on Project Y's 25 years journey. Genesis Media has made this film for us. Please do follow us on our YouTube channel Project Y 2000 to gain a deeper insight into our work and impact.
After losing both her parents within the span of a year, Anuradha Bakshi, known fondly as Anu, was shattered. But a chance encounter with a spiritual guide changed her path forever. Her words transform pain into pride. Today, across these 6 underserved communities, Project Y supports over 1,100 children, youth and women every year through after-school education, early childhood programs, skill development, digital learning and midday meals. More than 10,000 lives have been touched and transformed. Project Y continues to ask the most powerful question of all. Why not?
जो छिपा था धुंधला सा बन के एक एहसास, वो दिखाया करके सबको जिसकी न थी आस।
बचपन की मुस्कान हो या शिक्षा की हो राह, हर कदम पर साथ तेरा है अथक प्रयास।
अनुराधा जी की ये आशा दे रही है परिणाम, सबसे ज्यादा, सबसे बेहतर, सबसे उत्तम ज्ञान।
Mr. Ranjan Bakshi has always been a pillar of strength and support to Anu Ma'am and has silently but immensely contributed to Project Y from behind the scene. Thank you, Ranjan sir.
A huge thank you to our platinum sponsors, whose generosity made today's celebration a possibility. We request Anu Ma'am to come on the stage and to do the honor. Please give them a big hand. Adish and Asha Jain from USA, represented by Nikhil Jain. Ofos Indians from France, represented by Jean Charles. Utsaha Engineering Company from Ghaziabad, represented by Rotarians Reena and Deepa Gupta. Sudhanshu Chhabra from USA, represented by his wife, Ms. Meenal Madhukar. Thank you for your unwavering support and for being such an integral part of the Project Y family. Please have a huge round of applause for them.
I'm very happy to represent the Enfance Indienne and its chairman Xavier Rey. As a small group of French people, we offer you all our support, strength, and compassion. May the spirit of Sakti continue to guide you for the next 25 years and beyond.
We will now felicitate those individual and organization who have always stood by us in thick and thin. We request to call upon on stage Nandini Verma and Satish Ji, our trustee, to kindly do the honor. Nandini ma'am, the brilliant mind behind the logo of Project Y. Thank you for gifting this powerful visual identity.
Now, we would like to invite our esteemed board members on the stage, the individuals whose leadership, vision, and unwavering commitment have been instrumental in shaping the journey of Project Y.
Before we start felicitating our donors and supporters, we would like to screen a film made by our oldest fundraiser organization from France, Ofos Indians. This film was made in 2015 and captured our first 15 years.
Alors en Inde, au niveau éducatif, il y a un enseignement qui est obligatoire, mais devant l'importance de la démographie.
Et ce qui est intéressant, c'est qu'un enfant qui a passé 3 ans à l'école et qui arrive à Project Y et qui arrive à peine à lire et à écrire, au bout d'1 an, il est premier de sa classe. Il nous a fallu absolument ouvrir ce centre parce que les enfants étaient en danger d'être happés par des mafias. Des initiatives comme la nôtre, même si elles paraissent des gouttes en la mer, sont quand même nécessaires parce que chaque enfant qu'on sauve est un enfant qui aura un avenir, qui pourra quand même transformer sa vie.
We would also like to take a moment to thank the wonderful people from across the globe who have stood by us from afar and played a vital role in our journey.
I request Ron Charles and Nathalie to take the award on behalf of Xavier Rey, Chairman of Ofos Indians.
I request Mr. Manish Jain, please be on stage.
For Adish and Asha Jain.
Please welcome on stage Mr. Kabir Suri, the co-founder and CEO of Azure Hospitality Private Limited.
We request Rotarian Kanika Madhok to please be on stage. She represents Rotary Cup Delhi Premier Service Foundation, which has been regularly supporting our Women's Skill Program.
We will now felicitate Japanese Women Volunteer Group, Ms. Kais Hanoka and Inuit. Please be on stage. Since long, this group has been supporting us by doing activities for children and offering kind support as and when needed. Thank you so much. Please have a huge round of applause, the audience. Ms. Yashaswini Kumar, who has been Project Y since she was 1 year old and has been the youngest fundraiser.
On behalf of Yashaswini Kumar, we are giving Rema to the award.
We are extremely thankful to Asha for Education, Seattle for supporting our education program since 22 years.
We would also like to take the moment to thank Trivedi Foundation, Max Foundation, Savitri Foundation, Ample Technology, Ricargo, and many individual donors and have generously contributed. Please have a huge round of applause for them.
Now we request our chief guest, Dr. Dinesh Tyagi, to please address the audience.
It's very fascinating to see 25 years, 10,000 families. Life really changed phenomenally. We don't realize and appreciate that entrepreneurship can be built even in remote location with some push. And anything else which you need a support, I'll be willing to work. It has been very wonderful to learn about what you're doing it. And I wish I can help you in any manner you want to scale it up. The India is too big and you have done wonderful. Your learning is so much to scale it up to a very large level.
We will now begin the most awaited part of the celebration, the dance performance, Sati, by 82 students of Yamuna, Khadar, Okla and Govindpuri centers.
टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया। अल्लाह के बंदे हंसदे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंसदे। टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गया था हर सपना जब वो टूटा। बिखर टुकड़ों में अल्लाह की मर्जी का मंजर पाएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंसदे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंसदे जो तू हरी है। आँखों ने यादें बरसाई है। आँखों ने यादें बरसाई है। तू हरी है, तू हरी है।
Anu and Project Y became a ray of hope for children.
ढूंढे हर एक सांस में डुबकियों के बाद में हर भंवर के पास किनारे। जो छोटी सी हर एक नहर सागर बन भी जाए।
हमको भी है लिखना पढ़ना, हमको भी है आगे बढ़ना, तुम भी बोलो।
वो जो शिक्षा पा गया है वो ही आगे आ गया है।
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन।
शाबाशिया, शाबाशिया, शाबाशिया,
हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं,
We are happy to share that 4 of our students of Khadar Center made it to IIT this year.
One of our donors, Mr. Jain, Mr. Adish Jain, has decided to pay for their entire studies at IIT.
Project Y team is the backbone of its education programs. We will now felicitate our team members for their long-term dedication and commitment. For Distinguished Services Awards for 20 plus years with Project Y, I will call upon Rani Bhardwaj, Shamika Bakshi, Dharmender, Sophia, Mithu Mandal, Vijay and Seema. We request Mrs. Meenal Madhukar to please do the honor. Please have a huge round of applause for them. Now, for Distinguished Services Awards for 15 plus years with Project Y, I will call upon Ms. Geeta Devi, Ms. Renu Karotia and Ms. Roshni. Now, for Distinguished Service Awards for 10 plus years with Project Y, I will call upon Ms. Anita ma'am, Ms. Sonia Goyal ma'am, and Ms. Sita Mahata ma'am, and Mrs. Anurita Sharma ma'am.
One of our team, the Yamuna Center team, is the true warrior team. We are especially grateful to them for their courage, compassion, and undefeated spirit to work in the most challenging environment and the battle of flood every other year. Yamuna team, please be on stage. We request Kabir sir to do the honor as he contributed immensely to the center. Thank you once again.
Every beginning has an end. I invite Anita ma'am, our alumni and documentation in charge, to please offer a vote of thanks.
Thank you to each one of you for standing with us, to being with us, and being a part of our story. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you.
Let us rise for National Anthem, which is be led by our children of special section. Thank you to all for making the celebration truly special.